ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் மனமோ நந்தவனமே ரோஜா இருக்கும் முள்ளும் இருக்கும் நட்புக்கு ராகம் கூட பாவை நண்பன் ஒருவன் வந்த பிறகு
Hi dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today this is the class for PUC second year students. That is the continuation of the chapter, that is coordination compounds. Okay, for the previous videos of this coordination compounds, you can check that description link there. You can check the description link. You are getting the previous video links. Then it is the continuation of the coordination compounds. Okay, in my previous video you already learnt about the how to calculate the charges and how to name the complex salt, and the next part of this chapter is the why the complex salts are stable. Okay, complex yaak stable agirtave, that is well explained by the scientist Werner by his theory, that is the Werner's theory of complex salt, and he is considered as the father of modern coordination chemistry because it is the first theory to discover the concept of complex salt here. Therefore it is quite important for the exam point of view also. In 1898 it is proposed by the scientist Werner. Okay, what are the main postulates of this theory is going to be observed one by one. The central metal atom is exhibiting the two types of the valencies. Okay, we have types valency irtave, that is first one primary valency and another one is secondary valency. Okay, again calculation ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ charge on the central metal atom, that is nothing but the primary valency. For example, I will consider this K4 FeCN6. Okay, in this K4 FeCN6 you are already identify the charge on this central metal atom. A charge ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ you can observe that is given as plus 2 state. The iron plus 2 state alli ide, therefore it is known as the primary valency. The primary valency antandru onde, that is normal oxidation number antandru onde. Therefore this primary valency is variable. It means E complex alli plus 2 ide, in another complex the same iron can exhibit plus 3 also. Therefore primary valency, these are always variable and always satisfied by negative groups. Okay, always satisfied by negative groups yakantandre the charge is in all the times it is positive. For ella sala idenagirutte positive agirutte, therefore it is always neutralized by negative groups here, and that is the concept of primary valency. And similarly we can move on to the secondary valency. The secondary valency antandre it is nothing but the coordination number. Okay, iron coordination number estide antandre, that is you already identified, that is the 6 here, because iron receiving the 6 different lone pair of electrons from this cyanide, therefore coordination number is 6. Therefore secondary valency is always fixed in a sense it is a constant for particular atom. Therefore coordination number is fixed and it may be satisfied by negative groups, sometimes positive groups, sometimes neutral groups. Therefore here the condition is they must have the lone pair of electron, no need of negative, positive or neutral. Negative ಆದರೂ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, positive ಆದರೂ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, neutral ಆದರೂ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, but important condition is they must have the lone pair of electron. It means water can also act as coordination number. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ವಾಟರ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗಿ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ವೇಲೆನ್ಸಿ ಆಗಿ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Therefore this is main concept. Therefore primary valency antandre this is ON. ON means oxidation number and secondary valency means it is CN. CN means coordination number. Okay, these terms are well explained by the scientist Werner, and he is given the correct concept of two types of the valencies, primary valency and secondary valency. Therefore while dissolved in a water, water dissolve ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ iron primary valency dislocate ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, this secondary valency remains the same. And after this one he is also explain about the coordination number decides the shape of the complex. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ complex ಯಾವ shape ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು, that is decides its coordination number. Suppose the coordination number is 4, there are only two possibilities, either you have to exhibit the tetrahedral or square planar. And next one coordination number 6 is in any condition, that is the octahedral geometry. ಅದು ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕಿದೆ, octahedral geometry ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Therefore it is present in octahedral geometry. Therefore, it is the first theory of coordination compounds. For exam point of view, you write any 3 points to get full 3 marks. Okay, either it might be getting the 2 mark or 3 mark. Add marks and add postulates, and in 3 mark you have to write down any 3 important postulates of Werner's theory. Therefore, just you have to remember, central metal atom exhibit 2 types of the valencies, primary and secondary. Primary is always variable and satisfied by negative groups, and it is nothing but the oxidation number or charge on the central metal atom. And secondary valency is always constant, it means fixed and satisfied by negative, positive or sometimes neutral groups also. And this coordination number decides the shape of that complex. It means coordination number 4 that is tetrahedral, and coordination number 6 that is octahedral. Like this, these are the important postulates of Werner's theory, and in my next video it is going to be the continuation of next theory. But next theory hoginta munche, the main drawback of this Werner's theory you are going to be understand. Okay, Werner theory the main drawback ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ, the theory could not distinguish when it is tetrahedral and when it is square planar. Just observe here, coordination number 4 ಬಂದಾಗ ಎರಡು chances ಇದಾವೆ, that is tetrahedral and square planar. How to decide it is tetrahedral and square planar in a same coordination number? It is not explained in this theory. Therefore, that becomes the main drawback of the Werner's theory. But apart from this, he correctly given the concept of primary valency and secondary valency, and this is the success of Werner's theory. And in my next video, you can come across with the next theory. Therefore, till that, thank you.